Hello, welcome back to another episode of Sparky's Tech Corner. Now today we got a product unboxing and review. Today we got the Milwaukee 248821 battery powered soldering iron kit. Now this runs off the M12 battery. The temperature settings on this soldering iron is 398 degrees centigrade, 750 degrees Fahrenheit. Its output is around 90 watts. The heat up time on this states it's got to be about 18 seconds. It's got a heat indicator on it, which will tell you when the iron's hot or not. It's got two chips it comes with. Two chips, a standard point tip and a chisel tip. It says run time on this is about 45 minutes. It's about 11 inches, 12 inches long, weighs about 0.9 pounds. So let's go ahead and get this opened up and let's take a look at it. I cannot find on Amazon on where you can buy this. I actually bought this from my local tool guy, from my local cornball dealer. He had it for sale on his truck for about 150 bucks. So let's see what this comes with. Okay. We have the charger, we have the chisel tip, which will even, it's a flat tip, it's basically what it is, it's not even a chisel tip. We got the iron is a flex head. The only thing I would really complain about is it seems to be real bulky. So charger, got the battery. The battery rating on this 12 volt, 16 watt hour. Got the manual for the iron and for the charger. So let's go ahead and take a look at the iron real quick. I'll go ahead and get zoomed in as best I can. Now I gotta say, the iron does look beautiful. It's a really nice, well built. You can tell just from how it's built, it's a well built iron. So let's go ahead and take a look at the tip ends. Okay, it looks like it's got your standard run-of-the-mill heating tip on it. It is, let's see if I can find my old soldering iron here. There we go. This is my old soldering iron, the one I used to use before I made my DIY P12. And if we can tell, if we look, they're the exact same tip. So it's the exact same heating style. Now, I'm curious. I'd say I think the tips might work. Yeah. So your standard soldering iron tips were interchanged with this unit from what it looks like. Would I recommend it? Probably not. I'm gonna use this right here. I probably will. I'll probably buy some more tips online because I hardly use a tip like this. Most of the stuff I do will use the angled chisel. This comes with a flat chisel, and it comes with your standard bevel pointed. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and charge this battery up real quick, and once it's charged we will come right back and we will see how long this thing takes and how high I get with the thermal imaging camera. Okay, now that the battery's charged up for a bit, let's go ahead and test this out and see if all the specs on this hold up to truth. How quick it heats up and how hot it gets. Okay. Let's see, we're about at 230. And 250. About 260 degrees Fahrenheit. And probably need some time to get warmed up. Or is there it's got a light on it. That seems good. So let's go ahead. I've got a socket on just a plain wafer board. Let's go ahead and see how good this thing can solder. Okay. Grab some good old silver solder. One thing I will notice is it is bulky in the hands. So far, I'm liking the way it solders. I mean, I won't recommend this for replacing like a soldering station, but like if you needed something, a place like where I work at, an automotive shop, a truck shop, or if you gotta do some sort of soldering repair outside on a remote location, this would really come in handy. Go ahead and turn that off. Clean the tip off a little bit. Let's go ahead and check the temperature of this now. If it just on. Looks like the max cap's around 260. So I really honestly yeah, I don't see a temperature controller on here. I don't see anywhere on here where you can possibly set the temperature. So, but 260 is plenty good enough. Now, I like this feature right here. It has a light that will stay on, let you know that the tip is still hot. Help prevent you from putting this back into the box hot. So if I can get this up here and let you look at it. It's done some pretty good. I mean, it's better than a cheap one. I'll give it that much. So, what do I think about the Milwaukee 248821? I think it'll come in handy in certain situations. As far as like using this all the time here, I wouldn't. This is probably going to be kept in my box at work, and I'm going to use this whenever I need to solder anything up at work. That's one of the reasons why I got this for the tow truck. It's because I figured it would come in handy, because this can replace the butane torch I have, and I tell you right now, it works a lot better than the butane torch too. So, pretty much for this, like I said, I recommend it for like remote locations, like if you're working on electronics out on like the cell towers or radio towers, oil pumps out on the plains, something on the side of the road, something you don't have access to 110 electric. This would come real in handy. For practical uses for hobby owners and just in general, like stuff I do here, this is going to be your best bet. It's just have a soldering station. So, I have a link to Milwaukee's page on this down in the description. Fortunately, you can't find this on Amazon or on eBay at the moment. But you can purchase it through Milwaukee's site. So with that, we're going to go ahead and cut this off here. Thank you for watching. Please like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified of any more content in the future. So with that, I'll go ahead and let you guys go. So till then, take care.